Hey there, future trailblazers. Imagine this. It's 2025, and the world is buzzing with AI-powered possibilities. But here's the twist. The people dominating this new era aren't the coders, the creatives, or the business gurus. They're AI game changers, individuals who've mastered a unique set of skills to become unstoppable forces. I've been leveraging these skills for years, and in this video, I'm breaking it all down for you. Why AI game changers will rule 2025, the 8 AI skills you need to join their ranks, and how you can master them, even if you're starting from scratch. This isn't just another AI tutorial. It's your roadmap to thriving in the AI revolution. Let's dive in. First, a quick intro. If you're new here, I'm Chris, a tech entrepreneur who's been riding the AI wave for the past 3 years. I started as a freelancer, but embracing AI transformed my career, leading me to build an AI solutions firm, a company helping businesses worldwide harness AI. On this channel, I share strategies to help you seize the AI opportunity too. If that's your vibe, hit that subscribe button. I've got more coming your way. Now, let's get to the 8 AI skills that will make you a game changer in 2025. Let's set the stage. We're entering a decade where AI is reshaping everything. A 2024 PwC report predicts AI will contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with 70% of jobs impacted by automation. That's huge. While specialists, like data scientists or designers, risk being outpaced by AI, those who adapt will soar. Think of it like a forest fire. Towering oaks get scorched, but resilient ferns thrive. In evolutionary terms, it's not the strongest or smartest who survive. It's the most adaptable. In 2025, adaptability means becoming an AI game changer, wielding AI to do the work of entire teams. Let me show you how. Take my friend Mia, a marketing consultant struggling with client demands. She was a specialist, great at ad copy, but overwhelmed by the rest. Then she embraced AI, learning to use it for design, analytics, and outreach. In 6 months, she tripled her income and started an agency. Mia's story is the future. Specialists who cling to one skill are like cheetahs in a desert, fast but out of place. AI game changers are like crows, versatile, clever, and thriving anywhere. Over the next decade, the job market will reward those who adapt across domains, using AI to amplify their abilities. You don't need a tech degree to do this. Let's break down the 8 skills. These 8 skills are grouped into 4 powers: the power to innovate, streamline, craft, and engage. First, innovate, building AI-driven solutions without coding. Skill 1, AI-assisted app development. Ever had an app idea but no coding skills? In 2025, that's no barrier. Tools like Bubble and Adalo let you create apps by describing what you want in plain English. I used Bubble to build a task manager for my team in 1 weekend, something that would have taken months the old way. These tools aren't perfect, but they're fast, affordable, and improving daily. This skill lets you turn ideas into reality, whether for your business or a side hustle. Next, the power to streamline, using AI to automate tasks and boost productivity. This power relies on 4 skills. Skill 2, no-code AI agent development. AI agents are digital assistants on steroids. Platforms like VoiceFlow let you create agents for customer support or scheduling. I built an agent to handle client inquiries. It responds 24/7, and clients think it's a real person. These agents save time and help you scale. Skill 3, no-code AI workflow automation. Streamline tasks with tools like Zapier and Make.com. They connect apps to automate workflows, like syncing leads to your CRM and sending emails. I automated my social media posting with Make.com, saving hours weekly. It's like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps. Skill 4, prompt engineering. To make AI tools effective, master prompt engineering, crafting clear instructions for AI. Tools like Prompt Hero help you learn this. A good prompt can turn a vague AI response into a masterpiece. I used prompt engineering to get ChatGPT to write a pitch deck that landed a $20,000 client. Skill 5. API integrations. Learn API integrations to connect your AI tools. Tools like Postman make this easy. I linked my AI agent with my payment system, automating invoicing. This skill ties your automations together, creating an efficient system. Now, the third power, craft. Creating professional-grade content with AI, unlocked by 2 skills. Skill 6. AI content generation. Tools like Midjourney, Leonardo for images, and Synthesia for videos let you create stunning content fast. I use Synthesia to make a promotional video in under an hour, no camera needed. Whether it's logos or ads, these tools let you compete with big-budget teams. Skill 7. AI editing and enhancement. AI content often needs polishing. Tools like CapCut and Descript for video editing help you refine your work. I use Descript to edit my YouTube videos. It auto-removes filler words and adds captions, saving hours. This skill ensures your content looks professional. Finally, the fourth power, engage. Building an audience with AI. Skill 8. AI-enhanced writing. Writing is key to connecting with people. Tools like Grok, ChatGPT, and Jasper help you write faster and better. I use Jasper to brainstorm video ideas, turning rough thoughts into polished scripts. In 2025, a personal brand is essential. Without one, you'll get lost in the noise. AI-enhanced writing helps you build a following. These 4 powers, innovate, streamline, craft, and engage, work together. Build a tool, automate its workflows, create content to promote it, and write to engage your audience. But how do you learn them? I've got you covered. Check out description. As we head into 2025, AI is creating a new class of game changers, those who adapt and leverage these skills to thrive. Keep in mind Darwin's timeless lesson. Survival doesn't belong to the strongest or the smartest species, but to the one most adaptable to change. Will you be one of them? If this video inspired you, give it a like and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more AI strategies and comment below. Which skill are you most excited to learn? I'll see you soon, where we'll build an AI agent from scratch. Until then, keep pushing the boundaries.